So hi team, my name is Shivam Suresh Tripathi. I'm from Mumbai. Basically, I joined eVision on 15th of January, and today is 13th of April, and I finally got job. So you can calculate within almost 90 days, um, nearby around 100 days, I got the job finally with the help of eVision. So basically, all the training and everything was online, and even though it was online, and before this institute, I have already joined a multiple others institute, and I have already got failure. So I was thinking that might be this institute will do the same thing, but it completely changed my perspective. How exactly the training team, the coaching and the teachers and also the HR. My HR was Priya ma'am. I mean, how helpful they were for the entire journey. So basically, they have helped me from the scratch. They helped me how exactly I should change myself from non IT to IT. So I had a completely 3 years of experience, long gap, but still I've managed to switch my career to finally into IT because of the vision. And I would love to thankful for the all the team.